In front of me is Realme 12, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to access Clock app and tap on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Then click on those three dots at the top right one and select Settings from the pop-up. Then manage all of those options however you want to, like ring duration. When you finished, go back and to create new alarm, click on this button at the bottom. Now you can adjust your new alarm however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then click on ring once or select custom and tap on blue days of the week to exclude them or white ones to add them. Following that, click on alarm name and name your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Then select ringtone and vibration section. By tapping on any of those options under System Themes, you can apply perfect incoming call for your alarm. You can even log into Spotify and use music from it. If you don't want to do any of that, you can also tap on this device under Custom and apply any music from your smartphone. Then click on Ringtone at the top and apply the best option for haptic feedback. You can select one of those patterns, disable vibrations completely, or synchronize them with ringtone. Then go back again and tap on snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. If you wish to switch off or on snooze, tap on this switcher next to it. Then go back, click on Done at the top right corner. And as you can see, after that my alarm was successfully added. To switch it off completely, use blue switcher next to it and click on any of those options. You can turn it back on by hitting the same, now gray switcher. To delete your alarm, hold it and click on Delete at the bottom to get rid of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!